Every car today comes with airbags. But what do the airbags come with? Mercedes-Benz earned a patent for the airbag in 1971. That means every airbag in today's Mercedes-Benz comes with 40 years of continuous innovation to make them smarter, more effective, and more protective. In the 1980s, the S-Class was the first car with a driver's front airbag standard. At the same time, a new emergency tensioning device, or ETD, was added to the front passenger's seatbelt. All of the restraints in a Mercedes-Benz are engineered to be most effective as a complete system. In the 1990s, Mercedes-Benz introduced the first side curtain airbags to cars and to SUVs. Since then, Mercedes-Benz has continued to lead the way in airbag innovations, such as separate pelvic airbags, head airbags for convertibles, and side curtains for the third row in SUVs. Even our original airbags have evolved many times. Today's front airbags feature dual-stage deployment, tailored to the severity of an impact. The groundbreaking pre-safe system can even sense a possible accident before it happens. Instantly, it can tighten the seatbelts, adjust the front passenger seat, and close the windows and sunroof. This helps prepare the airbags and other restraints to protect you better. When you subscribe to the Mercedes-Benz Embrace system, your car can automatically place a call for help if any of its airbags or ETDs are activated. After an accident, PostSafe also shuts off the fuel supply, switches on the hazard flashers, unlocks the doors, and turns on some cabin lights, all to help rescuers help you. The safety standards for all cars today include breakthroughs that were pioneered by Mercedes-Benz over the years. From airbags to anti-lock brakes, stability control, and far beyond, what starts here may someday make all cars safer. So when you think about airbags, think about something else too. The car they come with, and a history of innovation that's always put your safety first.